In today's video, I will show you how to find people near you on Tinder. Tinder uses your phone's built-in GPS to calculate the exact distance between you and other users, meaning your discovery feed is constantly shifting based on where you are standing. If you are tired of matching with long-distance profiles or people who are just passing through, narrowing your search circle is the perfect way to keep your dating pool local. To set this up, open Tinder and tap your profile icon. From there, go to Settings and then scroll down to Discovery. Once you are in the Discovery section, adjust the maximum distance slider to your preferred radius, which can be set as close as 2 kilometers or 1 mile for a hyperlocal experience. Finally, ensure the global or show people slightly out of my preferred range toggle is turned off. By doing this, you prevent the app from expanding your search globally, forcing it to prioritize users in and around your location and your immediate vicinity. And that's it. That's how you find people near you on Tinder.